Hello everyone. Today we will compare Sprout Social, Hootsuite, and Buffer, three leading social media management tools. So Sprout Social excels in analytics and CRM integration, ideal for businesses focusing on engagement and customer relationships, while Hootsuite provides comprehensive scheduling and monitoring across multiple social networks, favored by large teams needing collaboration features. And lastly, Buffer emphasizes simplicity in scheduling, perfect for small businesses and solo entrepreneurs managing social media efficiently. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I hope you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till then because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Sprout Social, Hootsuite, and Buffer, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. And when it comes to scheduling and publishing, all platforms have that feature because that's what they do. And when it comes to analytics, Sprout Social have advanced social analytics, report and customizability, and competitor analysis. While Hootsuite have bulk scheduling, unlimited posting, and stock photo library, while Buffer have user-friendly interface and scheduling features, so basic. And when it comes to social listening, only Sprout Social and Hootsuite have it, while Buffer does not have it. And when it comes to CRM tools, only Sprout Social have it, while Hootsuite and Buffer they don't have it, not available. And lastly, when it comes to integration options, so Sprout Social have extensive enterprise tools, while Hootsuite have over 100 integration, while Buffer limited. So yes, that's it for the simple feature comparison. Now let's go to pricing. When it comes to starting price, Sprout Social offers them for almost $200 per seat per month, while Hootsuite only offers them for only $100 per month. While Buffer, they offer it for free first, but you have to pay $5 per month on succeeding months. While on the professional plan, Sprout Social offers them for $300 per month per seat, while Hootsuite offers them for $250 per month. And for Buffer, they offered it for $15 per month, and that is the Pro plan. And lastly, for advance payment, when it comes to Sprout Social, they offer it $400 per month. And when it comes to Hootsuite, they have customizable pricing here, and Buffer, they have offer it $65 per month. And yes, that's it for the pricing comparison. So now let's go to another section, which is the performance comparison. And when it comes to analytics performance, Sprout Social is the best out of three for detailed analytics, and Hootsuite. When it comes to Hootsuite, they have customizable reports, benchmarking against competitors, while Buffer have effective analysis and basic reporting tools. And when it comes to user interface, Sprout Social is very intuitive. Hootsuite is very comprehensive, while Buffer is only simple and quick to adapt. And that's it for the simple performance comparison. So now let's go directly to the customer and support comparison. When it comes to live chat, Sprout Social is available 24/5, so 24 hours for 5 days, while Hootsuite is only available on business hours, 1 week business hours only, while Buffer, they don't specify their live chat availability. When it comes to ticket submission, all platforms have it, so people can submit tickets for support. And lastly, for phone support, only Sprout Social has it, while Hootsuite is only limited for email and live chat support. So now that's it for the customer support. Now we're done with the customer support, pricing, features, and performance comparison. Now let's go directly to the pros and cons. And let's start by discussing Sprout Social pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, Sprout Social offers advanced analytics, comprehensive CRM tools, and extensive integration options. They allow users to schedule posts across various social media platforms in advance, and they are known for its excellent customer support, offering assistance through various channels including email, chat, and phone support. So when it comes to cons, so Sprout Social have higher starting price. You can see that on the pricing comparison, and they have more advanced features and Because of that, they have a steeper learning curve and might require time to master for user. And lastly, they have limited support for newer or niche platform. And for the Hootsuite, so they are more affordable than Sprout Social and have extensive integration and bulk scheduling. They offer comprehensive analytics and reporting features. And lastly, they provide extensive training resources, including Hootsuite Academy, which offer courses and certification on social media marketing. So when it comes to cons, Hootsuite has led advanced analytics compared to Sprout Social. They can be expensive too, especially for small businesses or individuals. And lastly, they can be overwhelming for new users due to its wide range of features and capabilities. So that's it for the Hootsuite pros and cons. And not for but last but not the least is the Whopper pros. So when it comes to pros, they have free version available and they are very simple to use and affordable plans also. They offers competitive pricing that are more affordable compared to some other social media management tools. And lastly, they provide basic analytics and reporting features for beginners. So that's it for the pros. So when it comes to cons, Buffer have limited features compared to Sprout Social and Hootsuite. And also they lack some advanced features found in other social media management tools such as comprehensive social listening. So yes, that's it for the Buffer pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start that by discussing who should choose Sprout Social. So Sprout Social is referable for larger organizations or agencies that need comprehensive social media management, in-depth analysis, and extensive collaboration tools. Perfect for businesses with a higher budget who can afford premium pricing, and for teams needing strong collaboration features such as task assignments, approval workflows, and shared calendars. So if you have all of these qualities, Sprout Social is the choice for you. And for the people who should choose Hootsuite, so Hootsuite is referable for medium to large businesses that need a versatile tool with wide platform support and comprehensive features. For businesses that have flexible budget and can invest in advanced features. And for lastly, for those managing multiple social media platforms and needing robust scheduling, publishing, and monitoring tools. So if you have all of this, Hootsuite is the choice for you. And lastly, for people who should choose Buffer, Buffer is referable for small businesses, startups, and individuals due to its affordability and ease of use. For users who primarily need straightforward scheduling and publishing features, or perfect for those with a limited budget who still need a reliable social media management tool. So if you have all of this quality, Buffer is the choice for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, all platforms depends on your specific need and budget. So Sprout Social offers a robust analytics, advanced social listening, and strong collaboration tools, making it ideal for larger enterprise and agency. Hootsuite provides versatile platform support and comprehensive features suitable for medium to large businesses. Lastly, Buffer with its user-friendly interface and affordability is perfect for small businesses and individuals. Each of these tools has its strengths, so consider what features are most important to your business, whether you need in-depth analytics, comprehensive platform support, or a budget-friendly solution. There's a tool out there that fits your needs. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.